Hi everyone, welcome back to Greybeard Media. It's Friday the 29th of November 2024, back at Anfield Road for another update on the Anfield Road stand, the next chapter. This is just a follow on from the first one I did. Of anything else that happens to the stand, I'll put it on that playlist instead of calling it an Anfield Road expansion, because my last one of that was finally done. This is just for any other jobs that we've noticed that have been done over the last few weeks. I'll just add it there. So I was going to fly, but it's pretty windy today, so I'm not going to put the drone up. If you join me back after the intro, I'm going to talk about the amount of times Thomas Contractors have been out doing maintenance on the road. We're going to talk about the Crest. It hasn't appeared yet, but I ain't going to mention names, but I did get a couple of photos sent to me about the preparation that could be happening very soon. I'm going to talk more about that also. I'm also going to have a talk about my last video I uploaded, what I knew would be get a controversial kind of response, but I'm going to put some records straight on that as well, and I won't tolerate any abuse either. You can ram that where the sun don't shine. So don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. See you after the intro all. And welcome back everyone. We're just on Anfield Road. We're going to walk down it, and like Thomas Contractors have been out like 4 times already doing little jobs. I was going to show the first one now, but there's too many cars parked there, and I'm not going to turn the camera around because it's going to be on number plates and stuff, and I don't really want that. But yeah, they've done some road on the middle of Annie Road, lifting up paving blocks. I think it's issues with the levelness of it, because a lot of the blocks that were lifted up, they were put straight back again. There were preparation going on for Man City already. Welcome Man City fans. Hopefully it won't be much of a warm welcome. Sure they're going to get the welcome. They deserve. We don't normally give them a great reception, do we, when the team coach arrives, and they don't give us a good reception either. It is a rivalry, massive one, and hopefully we'll take the points. But yeah, going back to Anfield Road, there is a lot of still unevenness on the road, unfortunately. I can see Thomas Contractors coming out a lot more yet, doing a lot more work. Right, I'm just going to have that rant now. That video I posted yesterday late about, I was answering the viewers who kept saying about should have moved to a new stadium, should have built a new ground. That was I only did that and based it on that, and I've put to them clearly in the video, where would you put it? I asked them clearly, where would you put that ground? Now I knew viewers who get the wrong stick and start on at me, saying if I took a knock to the head, or you're getting repetitive, mate. One thing I have not had is a knock to the head, but I have had a stroke. I wouldn't recommend it. Try having one. That's my answer to you, yeah. I was just raising a debate, okay, to the ones who kept commenting on the Anfield Road expansions, should have built a new stadium. If you want to abuse me, keep going, yeah. Just disappear. I'll make you disappear on that channel. You're not wanted on Greybeard Media anymore, yeah? Take your comments, your snide little remarks, do one. I go out my time every day to come here to give Red LFC fans content. I never want to leave this ground. I love Anfield. I'm born and bred at Red, okay? So if you want to get the wrong end of the stick by not understanding content, where I clearly said where would you put that stadium to the viewers who wanted it, who wanted a new ground building. It's not my opinion. So Go back, watch it again, yeah. Take your abuse also. It's not wanted around here. So I thought I'd come out, put that in the video too, because I'm not having that. Even ones calling other viewers clowns and stuff for a comment, I'm not having that either. I'd happily for my channel stay very small. Not ask me. I'll never be a big YouTuber because mentally I don't have it up there anymore since the stroke. Yeah, sometimes I'm repetitive. I've noticed when I'm editing 2 or 3 videos at least I remember kind of where I said things too much the same. That's my condition now. Thankfully it was only a mild stroke, but I've got those drawbacks going on all the time. But when it does get really bad, I know I'll close my channel down then because I won't be able to do YouTube anymore. But at the moment it's a hobby. I'm trying to give the vets content. Yeah, you're going to get the abusive ones. You're nothing to me, absolutely nothing. You always get them types. Have you had a knock to the head? No, I haven't. I'll try not to repeat myself again, okay? Right, we'll go on to the Crest now. Sometimes I wonder, why do I bother coming out? Why do I even bother? You get the ungrateful ones. You will always get that in life. But when I brought you that content, when I went inside the ground, that's new as well. I haven't seen that before. I think it's there to stay as well. It's like a new sign they put up on the stand. Wheelchair access section of there. I noticed that before. But like I said, when I went into the ground and brought you that footage of the workers on the roof and harnessed up, doing the cladding on the end of the stand, the one that captured my eye was the one right in the middle, when some of you thought, and even I thought, was it for a Crest? And then obviously nothing happened after that. He disappeared. There was no Crest appeared. But somebody sent me a couple of pictures of some pins that are still there. That would be for a Crest, no doubt about it. I'm going to put them on the screen now. I'll also put a video of that guy, if I can find it. Should be able to find it. It's one where I went inside the ground, so where the guy was working on. I actually thought he was just doing some checks on the cladding, because you could clearly see he was putting the cladding back, but maybe it was to make the holes for those pins. So I'm guessing there is going to be a Crest there then. So obviously it's going to take some putting together first and making, but anyone who goes to the games, I don't get in there as much now, unfortunately. Let me know if the Crest does appear, but I wanted to fly today and have a look. I know it's not there now, but I'm not going to risk the drone today. This was just about little bits that have been happening on Anfield Road with the maintenance, sometimes contractors, signage that's going up, and the final Crest that it looks like we are going to get. So I will keep an eye out for that over the next few days, weeks, or how long it takes. Sorry about my rant, but it really does my head in when you go out there, you go out your time to try and give viewers content from Liverpool, and you get ones who put it in the wrong context and then start saying stuff to me. You get that on YouTube, you always will, but I just click them away and they're no part of this channel no more. So if you're going to be like that, unsubscribe now, do one. You're not welcome here. I'm happily going to be a small channel. This is a hobby for me. The ones who are genuine, feel free to like, share, subscribe. I do this for you. Bring you content about this fantastic club. Well, I hope you remain forever. Like I said, that video I did was answering the ones who wanted a new ground, so I have to put a video together for that. And if you want to keep on taking it wrong, having a go at me, fine. Fine. We've all got opinions, but when it starts getting to name calling, or did you take a knock to the head, do one. Anyway, sorry for the rant, but that's it for today. I was going to fly, it's just too windy. I'm not going to risk a £900 drone. No way. I'll carry on going on YouTube for as long as I can. I know up there, since that stroke, I do struggle. I still have the odd head pains. I am trying to plan what I say and not repeat too much. I know 3 or 4 videos kind of was a little bit, but I try my best. I really try my best. Sometimes I'm sitting there editing at the computer, being so angry at myself, so frustrated. When it gets worse, I know that'll be the time I end YouTube. But at the moment, I still feel healthy enough to keep going. Just want to thank you all for great support, the ones who are genuine. This one's for you. Bye for now.